Soundstripe. Soundstripe.
Welcome to my apartment tour. Finally, ever since I've started this channel, I've wanted to do an apartment tour so bad. It's still not anywhere near being completely done yet, so you're not looking at the final product. I'll probably have to do an updated apartment tour later on, but I just wanted to show you what the apartment looks like right now. It is our first apartment and we love it. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom. And yeah, I'm gonna kind of show you where I got stuff and like where it's from. Hopefully this will inspire you maybe to decorate or do whatever you want. Let's just get right into it. Okay, so when you first walk in, this is kind of what you see. Here's like a little overview. So you walk in right here and we have this little hall tree, I think is what it's called. It's like a little shoe rack, and then you can hang purses, keys. We put all of our like dog stuff up there and then some hats and stuff. So it's really nice. You just kind of like throw all your stuff there and then you're good to go. There's Pippin. Hi, Pippin. Over here we have a cat tree for Rue. She loves it. She can look out the window and stuff. And we have our TV stand over here in front of this window. This plant right here is from Target. The TV stand is from Target as well. We ordered that online. Then we have this zebra striped vase. This, I honestly don't remember where I got this. I've had this for like so many years. Like when zebra stripes were like first cool, back when we were like in 5th grade. I've like had it since then. So it's crazy how stuff comes back. We have our TV here. Thanks Mom and Dad. They actually gave us this TV, which was really, really nice of them. We have a sound bar right there. Then there's a picture of me and Jack, and then this little plant from Target. I really need to get some more stuff to put down here. I just like don't really know what to do. So yeah, and then in this cabinet there's like Jack's PlayStation and Switch, and then we have some dog stuff in there, but I'm not going to show you that because it's boring. Over here on the side of the TV stand we have Jack's lightsaber. Don't even ask me when it's there. Okay, moving on, we have this cute little, is this wicker? I don't know. It's a cute little basket from Target. We keep like blankets and stuff in there, and then we also have a bunch of dog toys. Next we have our coffee table, which was actually given to us. It's really nice because you can open up like these 3 little squares and like store stuff. So we put like blankets and other stuff like that in there. This carpet is from Wayfair, super, super cute. And we have our couch. We actually bought this couch online and it's a lot smaller than we thought. So we're gonna have to end up getting a new couch, but that's okay. It works for now. These pillows over here are from Target. Actually, all of these pillows are from Target. So if you wanna go to Target and get some cute pillows, you should. On the coffee table, we have this cute little like tray that actually came with the coffee table, and oh, my candle's going out. No. I also have this vase right here. This is from, I think it's from Hobby Lobby. And then I don't know where these little fake plants are from. You can probably get something from like Hobby Lobby or Walmart, honestly. This gold, what kind of animal is that? Like cow head, is from TJ Maxx. And then we have a bunch of coasters over here, H&J for me and Jack, and then some other coasters down there as well. Okay, and then when you turn from over there, there's like the entry. We have this vertical mirror. I think I'm gonna turn it horizontal and like put a cute little like entry table right there. That is not a table, that is my laptop desk. So if I wanna like work over here and be on my laptop, I just roll that over here and I can like sit down and work. Then when you walk over here, this area is kind of where it's a work in progress. We're gonna get a cute little dining table to go over here, but out there is our patio. I'm not gonna show that, but over here we have these 3 bird pictures. They are from Target. Down here is Pippin's little area. It's crate, and then his food and water. Nothing very interesting. When you go over here, we have these cute little wooden hanging shelves. I got them from Etsy. On them, I just have this cute little gold dachshund. It's from At Home, but my grandma gave it to me. I have this cute little succulent from Target. On this one, I have a picture of Rue, and then I have a cute, I don't know what this is, like little dish. It's from Hobby Lobby, and then there's a feather in there. I should take it out. Over here is the kitchen. These are bar stools. Not sure where we got them. We have this cute little tray that's from Home Goods. No, it's not. It's from At Home. Then we have this alligator head from At Home too. So cute. This plant is from Target. This little thing hanging on the wall, I'm pretty sure is from TJ Maxx. Not 100% though. Here is the kitchen. Up there is our cat's bed because she likes to jump up there and sleep. Okay, I was scared I wasn't gonna get to see her up there like that. But she sits up there and looks at me like that, so. These 3 prints are from Etsy and I had to go to Home Depot and print them off and stuff. It was honestly more trouble than it was worth, so I don't recommend doing that. But the frames are from Hobby Lobby. This little marble, what is this called? Utensil holder is from At Home. We have this really cute little sign here that says your heart and my heart are very, very old friends. That's so cute. I love it. I got that from like a local shop. Then over here on the other side of the oven is a lamp from Target. These are cork, like wine corks, but I think I got that from like an antique shop or something. And then this plant is from Target. Dish towels are from TJ Maxx and they are cats because we love cats. On this side is our sink and, oh, we got some dishes. We can put soap here and then our paper towels in this cute little tray. And I think this is from Ross, I'm pretty sure. On the floor is this really cute runner rug and that is from Ross as well. Then when you leave the kitchen, you go into this hallway where the washer and dryer are. That's all behind there. I'm not gonna show you that because it's boring. Then you go into the guest bathroom. Our runner rug is from Home Good. No, it's from At Home. I get them confused. Here's our shower curtain. It is from Target. Then we have these cute little prints right here. I got the prints themselves from Etsy. I printed them out at Office Depot. And the frames are from IKEA. Then we just have our towels here. They are from TJ Maxx. Then over here, this little plant picture thing is from Hobby Lobby. We have another hand towel, a mini lamp from Target. We have this cute little tray. This is from TJ Maxx and so is this one. We put our toothbrushes in and then we have a soap and this candle that smells so good. Then we have this cute little cactus plant that my sister gave me. She actually found that from a garage sale, so. Then over here above the toilet we have a little llama picture and that's from Hobby Lobby, and then a baby succulent that my sister gave me. That's pretty much it for that bathroom. And then once you come out here, you walk into the bedroom. This is it. So the dresser over here is 6 drawers. It's from Wayfair, I think. We have a candle burning over here. It smells so good. This candle stand is from Hobby Lobby. This little glass thing is from Target. Then over here, we have a little like vase thing. It's from At Home. And then we have this like grass stuff coming up. It's from Home Goods. And above the dresser, we have this cute little cow head again from TJ Maxx. We've got 2 pictures of feathers and they are from TJ Maxx. We have our little mirror here. It is from Hobby Lobby and I love it. I got it for Christmas and it was like the first thing I got for my new apartment, so I love it so much. So cute. Then for our bedspread is from Etsy. These big pillows are from Target. Those are from Target and then this one is from At Home. The nightstands are from At Home as well, and so is the carpet. The 2 picture frames up here are from Hobby Lobby, and then the lamps are from At Home. Look at Jack's little turtle. Okay, so once you leave our room, you go down this hallway again, go through the kitchen, and you see this skeleton. I put him up in August and Jack was really mad, but it's never too early to start decorating for Halloween. If you want to see a Halloween decor video, let me know. But you come across this baby gate, and this is so that Pippin does not come in here and poop on the white rug. So you open that, come in here. And this is the second bedroom, which is my office. So this rug is from Overstock, I think. Here's like the little sitting area. There's my calendar on the wall. It is from Target. This is where I like hang a purse. It's more for looks. It's from TJ Maxx, but I painted it white and gold. There's this little thing right here that you saw in the beginning. On top of it, I just have this little pink lamp from Target. This gold heart. I think the print is from Etsy and the frame is from IKEA. We also have this gold vase. It kind of has like a cheetah print on it. That is from Ross. And then we have a little candle here with a candle holder from Bath & Body Works. Oh yeah, if you're wondering where this whole like furniture piece is from, it's from HomeGoods. On the second shelf, I put this plant, which is from Target. I just sat it there. This I think is from Target too, but my sister gave it to me. And on the lower level, I have this gold snake, which my mom hates. She does not like this at all. I thought it was cute. And then I have a Himalayan salt rock that I don't really turn on anymore, but I just thought it would look cool. And over here is this cute pink chair, and it has gold legs, so it fits perfectly. And then this pillow in the middle is from Target. To the side, I have this gold coffee table from Wayfair. It has glass on the top, but not on the bottom. And then I have some flowers I need to throw away. Over here is another plant from Target, and then we have our candle stand because we are addicted to buying candles. We don't care. Over here is my desk where I do my work. The desk itself is from Wayfair. This green velvet office chair is from Wayfair as well. This gold and pink lamp is from Target. These books are from Hobby Lobby. And then I have a candle and a little plant thing from Target. My computer. I have this cute little gold giraffe from Ross. I have this, I don't even know what to call this. It's like a little like lamp thing, but it's from HomeGoods. And then I have this sign that says work hard so you can shop harder, which is very motivating. It's from Hobby Lobby, and this plant is from Target. Above my desk, I have these three little things hanging. It's a cheetah print from Hobby Lobby, and I painted the outside white. Then I have this little gold spiky thing that hurts really bad if you run into it from Hobby Lobby, and then a skull. The print is from Etsy and the frame is from IKEA. Over here, that's like the storage closet where you put a bunch of stuff. I'm just not gonna look at that right now. This door I actually took off of the bathroom. I don't really know what to do with it though. I have a trash can right there. Then Rue has another cat tree. It is so shredded up. We need to get her a new one, I know. But for now, it's just going right there in front of this really ugly box thing. Okay, then you go into my office bathroom. We don't really use this bathroom. I just use it to, like, if I want to take baths, I'll take baths in here. And then all my makeup's in here too. So it's kind of like my makeup room. So when you walk in, there's this bath mat, bath rug thing. This is from HomeGoods. It's white and fuzzy and I really like it. This shower curtain is from Ross. It's white and I don't know if you can see it. It looks weird on camera, but it has little gold flecks on it, so it looks super cute. I don't know how to get all these like wrinkles out of it though. Over here, we have a trash can from HomeGoods. And then we have this sign that says, "Find what sets your soul on fire," and that is from Hobby Lobby. This little like tray is painted horribly by me. And then it's actually from Ross. And then we have this little, what are these called? Oil diffusers? I don't know. It's a smell good thing. And then we have this little candle from Target. Over here we have a antelope head. And then we have a pink hand towel that is from Target. This lamp is from Target as well. This vase is from Hobby Lobby. Over here, I have a soap on a candle stand from Bath & Body Works. Then I have all my jewelry on this white and gold jewelry holder. This is from TJ Maxx. And then here is all my makeup. This makeup organizer is from HomeGoods. This is where I put my lashes. This is from Hobby Lobby. This is from Hobby Lobby. This is where I put my scrunchies. And then this is from HomeGoods. I put all like my makeup brushes and stuff in there. Then on this side of the wall, I just have is from TJ Maxx, and that is from Hobby Lobby. That is it for my apartment tour. I hope you enjoyed it. I post new videos each week, so be sure to subscribe for more. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.